Hey guys, thank you for joining. Today I'm going to show you how the help feature works in Power BI Desktop. I know sometimes we have questions about Power BI and then we go over Google and look for answers there, but guess what? We might find the answers here within Power BI Desktop with just a few clicks. And today guys, I'm going to show you how to do just that. Hey, before we get started, if this is the first time you stop by this channel, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button now, so in that way you won't miss anything. Now, let's do this. Here we have a Power BI desktop file. And this is what I'm talking about. If you go over the help feature right here, and then you have more options within this feature. So let's go ahead and get started with about. Sometimes we don't know the version that we have installed in Power BI Desktop. How do you know that? Go to Help, go to About, and right here it is. For this particular case, I have the August 2024 Power BI Desktop update. There you have it. That's how you figure out the version of your Power BI Desktop. Let's go over the next one, Guided Learning. This is also really powerful. If you are totally new to Power BI, there is here a Power BI overview. Get started with Power BI. If we keep scrolling down, we have more options here as well. Get started with Microsoft Data Analytics. And within this option, we have two more options here. Discover Data Analysis, Get Started Building with Power BI. And then you can keep exploring. Model Data with Power BI, Build Power BI Visuals and Reports, Instructor-led Training. If you want to pay someone to teach you how to use Power BI, so there is an option here as well. And then if you're gonna get certified, no more excuses, go over here and then all the information is right there. See right here? Prepare for the exam. You can see the options here. You can also take the practice assessment. There is a demo here, experience demo. Launch the sandbox. There are also PL300 prep videos. You can also take the exam once you are ready. So there is plenty of information here, guys. Like I said before, no more excuses. The information is right there. Let's go back to Power BI Desktop. Now let's go over the training videos. This is actually the YouTube channel that we have for Microsoft Power BI. And here, every time we have an update, a Power BI Desktop update, you see here a video, a new video. As of today, September 21st, so the updated file is August 2024. But you can explore here. There are so many options here. We have the updates. You can also check other videos if you want. Microsoft Fabric, Microsoft Power BI, and you keep exploring here. The next option here is documentation. More information, my friends. If you go over here, get started with Power BI Desktop. You can read this information here as well. There are examples, I believe, screenshots, so everything is there. Connect to data, shape data with Power Query. You can keep exploring here, but you get the idea, you get the point. Combine data. You can also sign up or purchase a license for Power BI. How to do that, the information is right here. Get started with the Power BI service. More information here as well. You can explore it. Get started with Fabric, Microsoft Fabric and Power BI. The information is here as well. Now let's go over support. Within this feature, you will learn if something is going on with Power BI. Maybe there is an outage, maybe it's degraded, whatever it is, you can explore it here. But as of today, as of September 21st, everything looks fine. What else can you do here? You can also create a support request. If you are an administrator, you can place a ticket as well, and also you can have answers if you're not an administrator. So let's figure this out real quick. If you go over Power BI, get support, and let's explore this for a second. Here you can type the issue that you're experiencing. So once you have the issue here, you will have the option to go to the next step, which is solutions. You can have an automated solution here by default. You can have links with more information about the issue that you're trying to solve. But if you don't find the answer there, you go to the next step, which is support. And then you can place a ticket, like I said before. If you are an administrator, you can do that as well. And also there is the option to contact someone from Microsoft. Now let's go over the Power BI blog. If you hit this option, now here you will see the monthly updates. If this was the September 2024 feature summary, you will see it here. But as of today, we still have the August 2024. And also you can have more updates here about gateways, about other types of information. So it's really powerful here, this platform and this website. So now let's go over the community feature. This is also really powerful. If you have questions about a specific calculation, for example, you can go ahead and type something here. Let's say calculate modifiers. I have a question about calculating modifiers. And let's see what happens. Someone else might have had the same question. If that's the case, you will see the answers here. You will see the questions and answers here. See right here, calculate modifiers. Someone had a question about all except and filter together as a calculated modifier. And you can keep exploring here if you want to have more information about calculated modifiers. But you can also type other questions. And right here, you can also post your question. So you might get answers from the community. So now let's go over the Power BI for developers. If you are a Power BI developer, you're gonna love this. There is a lot of information here as well. What is embedded analytics in Power BI? Power BI embedded analytics with clients APIs. Set up Power BI embedded solution. Explore features and APIs in embedded analytics playground. You know this. Embedded analytics. What is Power BI embedded analytics? Power BI visuals. Develop your own Power BI visual. Solutions and best practices for Power BI developers, etc. And some people reach out to me in the past, hey, we need to improve this. We need to improve the waterfall, for example. If you have an idea, you can submit it. It's right here. With just a couple of clicks, your voice will be heard. As you can see here, add expand collapse feature to column headers. And people can vote. And the most voted question or idea gets developed by Microsoft. And as you can see, there are more questions here, more ideas, and people like yourself, like myself, can go ahead and review these questions and ideas and then vote. Now, if you want to play with external tools, you can go ahead and explore external tools here. Remember, this is still within the help feature. Check this out. External tools in Power BI desktop. So many options here as well. See right here, external tools, we have Power BI tips website. So there is here also Excel connector, analyzing Excel, DAX Studio, really powerful, tabular editor, and you can keep exploring here these tools. Based on your needs, you can install them. Now, if you want to see examples, there are examples here as well. Sample data, sample reports, community galleries, partner showcase. Let's go over the sample reports. If you want to get a sample report, you can do that as well. See right here, are you new to Power BI and want to try it out, but you don't have any data, or maybe you'd like to see reports that illustrate some of the capabilities of Power BI? We got you covered. Power BI offers different kinds of samples for different purposes. There are built-in samples and apps in the Power BI service, SQL databases. Here is a collection of different samples. Here is the information. You can keep exploring and see which option works best for you. Finally, let's go over the consultant services. This is also really powerful, my friends. Check this out. If you have questions about Power BI, or maybe you have projects, large projects, you can go over here and explore this option, these consulting services. So there are free options here as well, and also paid options. And you can contact these people. You can do whatever you want based on your needs. Power BI consulting services, this is free, for example. If you hit this option, you can just fill out your information and then get in contact with this company, with this consulting company. All right, my friends, this is the power of the help feature within Power BI Desktop. If you found this content helpful, you know what to do. Share with your friends, give us a like, leave your questions and comments below, and of course, don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss anything. Thank you guys for your time, and see you in my next tutorial.